Our human civilization is the slave of science. Science is involved with us every moment. Without science, we cannot move in a second. So, this science will start in human civilizations and how it is.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
The English word science came from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Many years ago, people lived in the cave. They did not know how to cook is to burn the fire. Gradually, people have learned to burn the forest wildfire. From that day, the doors of science were open to the people. From the various information, we know that the contributions of scientists in human history is unparalleled. To find the very first scientist, we must travel back in time even further. We could go back to the most ancient of ancient Greeks, all the way back to the Thales of Miletus, who lived from about 624 BC to about 545 BC. By many accounts, Thales achieved much in both science and mathematics. Yet he left no written record, and many have been, like Homer, a celebrated figure who received credit for many great achievements, but who may never have existed. 4th century BC, mandragora containing atropine was described by Theophrastus in the 4th century BC for treatment of wounds, gout, and sleepiness, and as a love potion. By the 1st century, Dioscorides recognized wine of mandrake as an anesthetic treatment of pain or sleeplessness, to be given prior to surgery or cautery. A mandrake is the root of a plant, historically derived either from the plants of the genus Mandragora found in the Mediterranean region, or from other species such as Brownie elma, the English mandrake, which have similar properties. The plant from which the root is obtained are also called mandrakes. Theophrastus, a Greek native of Erosus in Lesbos. The interests of Theophrastus were wide-ranging, extending from biology and physics to ethics and metaphysics. One of the most significant books in his writings are History of Lantern and Frontispiece, to be illustrated, 1644 edition of the Enquiry into Plants. We also possess in fragments a history of physics. To this class of work belong the still extant section on fire, on the winds, on the science of waters and storms. Theophrastus classified rocks and gems based on their behavior when heated, further grouping minerals by common properties such as amber and magnetite, which both have the power of attraction. We knew that the pearls come from shellfish, that coral came from India, and speaks of the fossilized remains of organic life. Friends, today I will be presenting some new information for you on the next episode. If you like these videos, hit like and do not forget to comment.